Open your browser. Start by launching your browser and heading over to the top right corner. There, you'll notice 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on those dots to open the browser menu. Access privacy and security. Once the menu appears, look for the option that says Privacy and Security. Click on it to open the privacy settings. This is where you can control all the aspects related to your browsing privacy. Scroll to Cookie Settings. Now, scroll down just a little and you'll see an option related to cookies. Click on All Third-Party Cookies to open more specific settings regarding cookies that are used by websites you don't visit directly. From the list of available options, select Block Third-Party Cookies. This will stop any unwanted tracking from third-party sites that may follow you around the web. And that's it. You've now successfully blocked all third-party cookies, improving your privacy and keeping your browsing experience more secure.